Sexy Welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? Today I'm gonna try to show you how I did my rollout wheel. I started by ordering all these from Amazon. This is a trailer hub kit, and this is a spindle that goes on the trailer hub, because I don't think they comes together. You have to buy them separate, so just make sure you buy the right one, the right size for your hub. And this is a chuck. It comes with a key and some bolts, and this is it. 3 jaws, I think. This is the 8-inch, guys, so I think that's the way to go with the 8-inch chuck. Then I got me a plate from work. I made the holes to put it in the chuck. I drilled them. I didn't use the torch. And then I put the bolts. Make sure you get them right. I had to drill another bolt, but the plate goes to the chuck like this. That's what I did. There's many ways to do a roller wheel, guys, but this is how I did mine. Alright, and then I tied the bolts down. I had this roller wheel. I want to do it for a long time, and when I was doing this video right here, guys, I needed to be on my first rig welding job, and I knew I was gonna need a roller wheel, so I had the parts sitting there in the trailer on the RB. So I took them out and I start fabricating, I guess. And this is the plate that I put it on. This is just a piece of pipe that you can cut, and then 2 pieces of plate, and then I welded to this piece that I have ready, and that's it. Right here, guys, is just a pipe, a 2-inch pipe, and 1.5 smaller pipe that goes inside, and this is just to make it go slow or make it free so it can spin more. And this is all I use for that job that I did when I break in as a rig welder, guys. I couldn't tilt it, and it helped me a lot. I mean, at least I had something. I weld this for the ground, and I used my tripod to go up and down, and then I just painted it with a paint spray so it won't rust. So this is just a piece of pipe, guys, and 2 pieces of metal right there, and plate, everything from work except the chuck, obviously, and the spindle and the hub I ordered from Amazon, but everything else was from work, guys. So that was last year. Alright, you guys saw my roller wheel, how I only had a piece of pipe that goes inside a smaller pipe. So for this to go up and down, this is what I used right here, guys. It's just a piece of metal that I cut, a nut, a screw right here, another nut, everything from work. But once I cut the pipe that you guys saw that went through inside another pipe, I cut it from here, and then I add this piece of pipe right here. This is a 4-inch pipe, guys, and this 4-inch pipe, I made it so that it could go right here inside the hub. This hub right here, as you can see, I cut these bolts right here, guys. I had to cut them out, and put the piece of pipe right here. I welded to the hub, and then I put it right here and welded it again. And now it's because it wouldn't spin like I wanted to spin with just a piece of pipe. It works, but now it's way better. It spins faster, because it has wheel bearings right here. And then this spindle right here, this one goes right here, ñacas, right there, right? And then so I just welded this to this square tubing right here, guys. This one I welded is this piece right here. So this much goes inside the hub, and then I welded this one right here. This is like a 4-inch piece of square tubing, guys. And after that, once you have this, you're pretty much almost done. This is just a piece of 3/4 pipe, which I cut in 3 pieces, and you put a bolt through it, and this is what it and then you weld this one to this square tubing, and this one to this square tubing. The middle one you weld it to this square tubing right here, so it can go up and down with this other piece right here. This will make it go up, and this one just make it to where you want it to be free or a little tight, So this is just to control the spin. This is what it's for. And this one is just to go up and down, which is what you want with the roller wheel, you know, to make it level. But yeah, guys, this is what I made it. Then I just painted red and black, you know, the colors that I ride. Oh my gosh, I love it, the mother. But other than that, guys, this is how I did my roller wheel. I wish I had to record more, but you know, I was in a rush. Like the first time, I was in a rush, you know, because I needed it to go to work. So I did record it, but you know, not as I wish. But you know, it's not that hard, guys. It's everything you can get from work. Like I said, this one I got from work. This piece right here, this one, the bolts, all the bolts. The only thing that I bought was the hub and the chuck and the spindle right here. This one right here. So 3 pieces. This is why you need 3 pieces right here, guys. You need to buy the spindle that goes here, the chuck that goes in the front, and that's it. You're golden. You can make yourself a homemade chuck rollout wheel, or I mean, they sell them. They're pretty nice. The biohazard is nice, man. It's nice, but I mean, it's $1,500 right now, and they sell some for $300 that you can put them together yourself. You have to weld them too. So I mean, this is what I did for now. Maybe in the future, if everything goes right, you know, maybe I'll buy a biohazard, but we'll see. But other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. Just stay safe out there, guys. God bless, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.